Okay guys, welcome back to the Rough Cuts Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the cargo light lens on our first gen Cummins. So the part that we're going to be installing today is a replacement cargo light lens, and they're produced by First Gen Industries. The reason I'm replacing my cargo light lens is because mine's 30 years old and it's over time become very yellow and faded, and I think that a fresh clear lens will make it look a lot better and allow more light to shine on the bed. Okay, so right here is the cargo light on the back of the cab, and you can see mine is currently very yellow, faded, and even some cracks are starting to form since it's been baking in the sun for years. So we'll get that swapped out, and you can see right here the difference that it's going to make. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to take out these two screws and then we can just swap it out. Please disregard the sealant up here that was added on to prevent leaking. So you can see the comparison between the two here. So while you have the lens off, it'd be a good time to replace the bulbs if need be. I'll have a link to the bulb size and specs that I have. These are LED ones with projectors on the back of them. I'll have the link in the description below. Alright, so that sums up the replacement of the cargo light lens on a first gen Cummins. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Cheers.